welcome back to Incognito Critics today with Taco and Cheese.
Okay,
Taco, what are we doing today? Something really exciting.
Yeah, we recently been started studying
a language.
Continue, but yeah, we started studying, but we want to take it serious, but we need a little bit of motivation.
Yeah, so this is the story, yeah? Me and Taco, we said randomly in our heads we wanted to learn Mandarin. And then one day when we met up, I was like, I want to learn Mandarin. Taco was like, me too. And then we were like, let's do it. Let's learn it together. So we started, we downloaded apps, we were doing so well, watching YouTube videos. And then we kind of forgot about it for like a year. And then we went back on...
for like a month.
Yeah, and then we went back on it. We found a really good app called Hello Chinese. And it's so good. I still use it. It's the pronunciation. You've got games on it. You've got reviewing. You've got flashcards. It's so damn good, this app. And this is what really helped us. So we wrote pages and pages of Chinese. We were doing really good work for months on end. And then we stopped for a bit. And then for months we didn't do it. And now we've just started again. And we said, why don't we do some videos on YouTube to help other people, and maybe they can help us. And just, this is our journey, our Mandarin journey. We wanted to document it, and every week to put out a video. So we are motivated now, because we need to get fans from this. I want fans from China to listen to us and say, when's your next video coming out? So we're like, okay, we've got to do our Chinese today. We've got to record. And then we're going to slowly get better and better. So right now I'd say we're beginners. Maybe a little bit more, because we're not too bad. But the Chinese people probably think we suck. But
we're not. We learn quick. We only studied, this is what we did. We actually studied like 2 weeks properly every day. Then we took a break, and then we studied 2 weeks every day again. And altogether it's like a month. We did like 30 or 40 days on a streak of studying.
Yeah.
And then after that we haven't did any. Then we spoke about, we said, let's get back in it.
Yeah. And so we just thought YouTube would be the best way for us to keep going.
We said let our fans know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Why don't we share it with you guys?
Yeah. So
and then you can watch our journey.
Yeah, exactly. And then hopefully by the end of 2021 we will be more than beginners, hopefully. So
yeah,
that would be amazing.
We said if we told you guys, it would motivate us more.
Exactly.
And you can see us progress in our Zhongguo study. We are both
on the same level.
Shuisheng now, right? Both Shuisheng of Zhongguo.
Yeah. Students of Chinese, learning Chinese. Yeah.
So obviously we only studied like for a month properly, and then since then we haven't.
But
so
we
expect our accent.
The accent is terrible.
So please, I know you will probably laugh at us in the beginning,
and that's fine.
We will get there.
Yeah.
We promise we will get better.
Because it's funny when other people learn English as well, you know. But it's even because Chinese is so hard, like really hard. So anyway, so I wrote some sentences about me in Chinese, and Taco did the same. So Taco, do you want to start? And I have to decipher what you're saying.
Okay, I'm gonna say out a sentence about myself. And okay, so let's go. 你好，我叫 Taco.
Hello, I am Taco.
Yeah, 我喜欢中国菜。
I like Chinese a lot.
Chinese food.
Oh, food. Yeah. Oh, dishes. Chinese dishes.
我想吃面饺。
Noodles. You like?
Yeah.
What? Say it again.
我喜欢吃面饺
You like
I
to
like to
eat
eat-
noodles, yeah.
Yeah. 我学中文
You're learning Chinese, you're studying Chinese.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
中文
Wait, can I say
got
something?
before I said
我也学汉语
Oh, sorry.
I said-
Deputy?
我也学汉语
Oh, you also.
When
are
you say
studying
Zhongguo,
that.
that's China, isn't it? You're saying
Zhongguo is
Hanyu-
Chinese for food. Zhongguo is Chinese language, and Hanyu is Chinese
Hanyu
language
is
as well.
Chinese language. Yeah, that's the one I use.
Both
Alright,
of
okay.
them can be used.
Okay, well, if we're wrong about
Wuxian-
that, please correct
Yeah.
us.
我不想喝白酒
You don't drink. What's the by what?
白酒
Pijio?
不想
Are you saying
喝
Pijio?
白酒
Baiju. What
白
the
酒
frick is that?
is 白酒
Did you make that up? Do you mean Pijio? Beer.
is Chinese for
She doesn't even know.
just liquor. It's
Oh,
a type
okay,
of
yeah.
Chinese-
Yeah, so it's
it's
alcohol.
liquor.
You don't drink
Alcohol,
alcohol, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, sorry, where was I? 我们都喜欢中国菜。我们都喜欢中国。
They all eat Chinese dishes.
Yeah, we both. 我们都 we both like
Oh,
Chinese.
both.
Yeah.
Sorry, I flopped.
中国菜很好吃。
Zhongguo Thai, yeah. Hun Hao Chu. Chinese food is really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
对。
Dui bu dui.
我感觉很好。
Wo ganjue. What? Say it again.
我感觉很好。
Okay, the last bit is very good. I can't remember ganjue.
Is
Oh.
feel.
Huh?
It means feel. 感觉 feel. So I
Oh,
said,
you
我感
feel
觉
very
I
good.
feel.
Yeah.
I feel
Happy.
很好。
You feel good
Yeah.
or happy, yeah.
今天玩得很开心。
Jintian today. Yeah.
玩得很开心。
Today you feel happy.
Yeah, very happy.
Very happy, yeah.
再见。
Bye.
再见。
Goodbye.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, I didn't. Okay, yeah, I wrote some stuff as well. Hold up. Okay, sentences about me. 我是 cheese. 我20三岁.
23. You're cheese, you're 23.
Yeah. 我的家在伦敦. London.
What did GSI? Do you live in London?
My home is in London.
You're
yeah.
from
Yes.
London.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
From
我
London.
我是水. 我是水.
You're a student.
Yeah. 我是学生.
You are. Am I a student? Situation.
I'm asking.
Me. 对.
I don't know if I wrote. Maybe I was supposed to write 什么.
我多学生. Me as
We're
well.
both students.
Hmm?
You're saying we're both students. 我们
对。
多学. Okay. What does that mean?
对 means.
Does it mean
对
both?
means right. Correct. I agree.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. 我有两姐姐和两弟弟.
You have two
Jie,
which is older sisters,
Her,
and 2
Lian,
younger
Jie,
brothers.
Didi. Didi is, yeah, that's correct. What you said. Okay, now I've got questions for you, Taco, yeah? 你是哪国人?
Oh, 我是英国人.
Yeah, however
Sorry.
you say England. Oh god, it's too funny.
England.
Yeah.
国人.
Okay,
Sorry.
你是谁? Do you remember this one?
你是谁?
Yeah.
你是谁? Who am I?
Yep.
我是cheese cheese 的朋友。我是 cheese 的朋友。I'm cheese.
Your cheese's friend, yeah.
你说什么?
你说什么?
你说什么? What did you say? 你说什么?
Oh yeah, 说 means to speak. What did I say? Oh, 你叫什么?
我叫 Taco.
Yep. 你
Nina.
Okay, well, this one's funny. 你的爷爷多大? This one's good.
How old is the granny?
How old is your granddad? You have to say it in Chinese. Do you know it in Chinese?
我听不懂. I don't know YouTube.
You don't know. Okay.
你说的我听不懂.
Okay.
你说什么?
How do you say 100? Bar. That's 100. Bar. Okay, my granddad. 我的爷爷是8岁. Something like that. I don't know.
我的爷爷.
我的爷爷是8岁. No idea. Okay, do you want to do some more testing? What about, you have to translate this. Okay. This is my Chinese name. 我是李安伦，我不是中国人。What did I say?
Okay. 我是李安, you are 李安伦.
Yeah, 李安伦。
不是 you are not
中国人。
What was the rest of it, sorry?
中国人。
Oh, you are not Chinese.
Yeah, exactly. 我会汉语。
You are studying Chinese.
Yep. 我吃西瓜，我喝可乐。
You like to eat. No, you eat 西瓜, which is watermelon.
Yeah.
And you drink cola.
Yes. 我不吃鸡蛋，我喜欢喝咖啡。
You don't eat eggs.
Which isn't
You don't
true.
like
I do
eggs?
eat eggs.
I thought you said 我不.
I did say that, but no, I'm saying it's not. It doesn't represent real life. I just wrote it down. I do eat eggs, but in Chinese I said I don't. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
我喜欢喝咖啡。
Sorry, what was
我喜欢
你说什么?
我喜欢喝咖啡。
Oh, you like to drink. You want to drink.
I
coffee.
like to drink coffee.
You like to drink coffee. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, what about this one? 今天是星期一 which is true. Which is true.
Today is Monday.
Yeah.
Today
Which is
Monday.
true. It is. What about this one? 明天是星期二
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Yeah.
明天是星期二. Yeah.
明天是6月16号 This one's hard.
Yo's is
So-
Saturday.
No. 6月 Yue is the month, yeah. Leo is the 6th month.
Very hard.
16, what's that? 10 plus 6, 16. How is day of the month, which is 16th of June.
Wow.
今天是我的生日. What's Shangri? Do you remember?
So can you say the sentence
Okay.
again? Sorry.
今天是我的生日.
It's your birthday.
Yeah,
today.
it's not really, but yeah. Okay,
Oh.
我在公园. 我在公园.
Right. It's very big. What
No.
was the rest?
No.
公
我在公园. 公园's a park.
Oh.
我在 is to go. I go to the park. Okay,
公园在哪里? 公园
is that where?
在哪里?
Where is the park?
Alright.
在哪里?
See?
I know 哪里 it means where.
Yeah, so I think that's a good first introduction video. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
We at that beginner level right now. Okay?
Yeah, we are.
So we're not that 很好 yet, but soon we're gonna get 很好, and we're gonna be the 很好swing.
Oh, it's too funny, man.
很好 at
Alright, butthead, that's enough. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching our very first learning Chinese video. We hope to look back at this in 1 year and laugh at how stupid we were and our accent is terrible, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah, so make sure you give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you like us, because we will definitely be having more of these videos. And Taco also wants to debut her Japanese one because she actually speaks Japanese fluently. She's really good. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. And more of our beginner Chinese videos as well. We should be uploading at least once a week. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And 再见. 再见. And we are out.